You don't need to upload any YouTube videos, you don't even need your own YouTube channel. I am going to share a not so well-known method, show it to you step by step so that you can actually make money using YouTube. Most affiliates promote the wrong product and end up not making any money. So here is a product that is recognized well. It is a product that's used by large companies like Microsoft, Sony, and many more. So you know this is a great product to promote, and if you can find the right audience, you can make a lot of money being an affiliate for this product. You might think for a product like this, it will be difficult to become an affiliate if you are new to affiliate marketing. Here in the FAQ section, it is mentioned that it's easy to join. All you need to do is make sure to give honest details. So get started right away and you will be able to earn up to 30% commission. I will show you the effective and free way to promote this affiliate product and start earning money. Do you want to know what this product is? Can you give this video a like and I will show you this affiliate product and the exact steps you need to follow to do affiliate marketing with YouTube without uploading any videos. The product you are going to promote is from this website. Now you might wonder, why do you want to promote this website's product? Often we promote the product to ordinary people and no one ends up buying the product. So that's why it's important to find a product which has a good market for business owners. One of the key reasons is that your audience for this product is business owners. When someone is interested in this site, it means that they are looking to use one of their features. Basically, your potential customers will all have a sufficient budget to spend on tools like this. This also means that it will be easy to convince them to pay for this product because it will enhance their business. It offers several products, but there is one product that is easy to promote for free. I recommend that you start with notification. Click on this and you will be able to see more details. The tagline says it all. It allows its uses to skyrocket their business. You can see that they mention that people will be able to get a 20% increase in sales by using notification. Imagine this for a moment. There is a small business owner making $10,000 a month, and when they start using this tool, they will be able to make $12,000. That will make a huge difference to their business, and this is also the reason that I recommend you start promoting this specific product. To start promoting this as an affiliate, you need to first register. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you will see a link called Affiliate. Click on that. Then you will see an affiliate page with details about their affiliate program. Scroll down a bit and click on the Join Now and fill in the details they have asked. Once you create your account, you can get your affiliate link which you are going to promote. When someone purchases with your link, you will make money. Now, I will show you where you are going to find those people. That's using YouTube. There is a specific strategy you need to follow. As the next step, you need to figure out what would someone interested in this product type on YouTube. For example, it could be something like, how to increase sales, how to increase conversion rate, get a higher conversion, or something like that. Then you will see several YouTube videos listed in the search results. People that are watching these types of videos are looking to increase their sales and conversion rates. But how do you really find these people? They have already watched the video and are gone. Let's take this video as an example. Here you see several people that have left comments. Do you think they would be interested in using the product that you just registered as an affiliate to promote? When they can get 20% more sales with this tool, there is a good chance some of them will buy the product you are promoting, which makes them the perfect audience to promote this product. Now you must be wondering how to contact these people. Don't do this mistake most people do. They add the affiliate link as a reply to comments and wonder why they don't make any more with affiliate marketing. Instead, go to the YouTube channel of the person who commented. In the About section, you can often find the email. Now, remember, this is not a spam method where you just email them the affiliate link and ask them to buy. Don't spam because it will not get you any sales. What you need to do is build a rapport with the person and then soft pitch the product. For example, you can start by saying that you found the comment and ask if they have already found ways to increase sales. Based on the reply, you can mention that you have found a tool that claims to increase sales by 20% and to check it out. You will need to repeat this with multiple people to make this affiliate marketing strategy work. So yes, it will take some time. This is often the downside with free methods of affiliate marketing. If you are looking for a fast way to make money with affiliate marketing, watch this video next.